model, 2017 Peugeot BOXER 2.0 BlueHDi Luton Box Euro 6 spares OR repairs. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 100964. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurising. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.